I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, no jailbreak computer needed. So keep watching the video till the end and I'm going to be showing you guys.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this insane Perplexity Pro. So this is the Perplexity Pro for free. Alright, so let's get into the video. So just go to your browser and type in hexmods.com. So this is the website, guys. So go to the search bar and type in Perplexity Pro. So let me just do that right here. It's really easy. So press on it and then press download. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just want to download 2 apps from the App Store, 100% free, and this will install it. So I'm going to wait and then it's going to go. So as you can see, it says missing files. So just pick 2 of the apps. I don't care what you do. You just want to download them. So like there's a video you can watch, but you can see like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do the DraftKings, Moto Casino. There's a video if you're lost, but basically just download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions and you're going to be good to go. So that's all you have to do, guys. So be sure to try this out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But if you're needing it, try it out.